Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Instagram password, and now let's dive right in. Now to change Instagram password, first open up the Instagram app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your password. And on this interface, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon, guys. And over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icons. First, tap on that three lined icon, and over here, guys, again you can see the accounts center at the top of the screen. Tap on the account center and again scroll down where you can find the password and security. Tap on password and security and you will be able to find the change password button at the top of the screen. Tap on the change password button, and over here you will be required to choose your Instagram account, so choose on the Instagram. And here, guys, you'll be required to enter your current password and then your new password. Again, retype your new password. And guys, after your current password and your new password and your retyped password are correct, the change password button will be available for you. Tap on that change password button and then your Instagram password will be changed. And then, guys, this is how to change Instagram password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.